Welcome to the Cox Business Video Library. In this Getting Started video, we'll demonstrate how easy it is for business owners to activate their Internet Gateway. We've provided you with all the equipment you need, as well as detailed instructions on how to install, configure, and activate your service. As a user, your job is to provide the laptop, tablet, or computer that will be utilizing the gateway. Now, let's get started. Included in your kit is a power cord, coax cable, the gateway, and an optional Ethernet cord. There are 4 simple steps to set up your gateway. Step 1. Plug in the gateway. First, connect the coax cable to the cable from wall port on the gateway and to an active cable outlet. Next, connect the power cord to the gateway and to an electrical outlet. Make sure the electrical outlet isn't connected to a dimmer or a switched outlet. Step 2. Wait for the gateway to boot up. Wait a few minutes for the gateway to power on. You'll know it's ready when the online light stays solid. This may take up to 10 minutes. Note: the Ethernet cable is an optional non-wireless connection. If necessary, you may plug it into an Ethernet port on the gateway and to the WAN port on your computer. Step 3. Connect to the wireless network. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Using the label on the bottom of the gateway, connect to the network using the 2.4G SSID network name and the passphrase. Open a browser and surf the web to confirm you are online. Step 4. Now that you are connected to the gateway, go online to coxbusiness.com/self-install. Download the document titled Cox Gateway Setup Instructions from the Cox Business Internet section. This document will walk you through how to personalize your network names and passwords, set up guest networks, and configure your gateway with a static IP if applicable. This will help secure your network and enable the best experience from your gateway. Congratulations! Your Internet Gateway is up and running. In the event you have any issues, you can contact Cox Business via any of these options. Thank you for being a valued Cox Business customer.